Let's take a quick look at the convert function. So the convert function is not as useful as other functions. However, it can be key in some situations. Let's take a look here. We've already listed this table, but let's take a look if we actually convert the student count to time. So the student count makes more sense if we convert it to time, and you can see there it's starting off 101, 102. So if we convert it to time, you can see what it does. It converts it using 24-hour time to the format that the string will fit, and that's important to know. And as you can see here, we're doing more ad hoc type of selections for our application. In this case, we're selecting the result of 2 minus 4, and we're converting it to signed data. So that's really what the conversion will do. Notice we're not picking from any table here. And there's our result.